Kumain ka na naman. I'll be right back.
No, they're gonna buy you a toy.
Oh, look, there's people down there.
Okay, sige, Mikay.
May crack. There's a crack on the river.
How did they do it? Oh, yeah. How did they do it? Is that they're getting rocks? Is that Isaac? Did you message Isaac?
Oh, yeah, probably Isaac. Yeah, that's Isaac's doing that.
Nakita mo naman yan. Nya. Hindi pinakita. Nya. Mana sa'yo yan eh. Alright. Pupunta daw kayo ng Target? Kayo na. Ikot-ikot. Walmart. Come on now, let's go see Daddy now. Hindi si Isaac yan.
May tractor din na maliit.
Oo, si Isaac yan.
Mama.
Andun sila. Do your Jenga now. Who won? You have to be slowly in your Jenga. Do your Jenga again.
That's,
Isaac?
Isaac, yeah. I think he's doing something.
Wow, they can do it, not us.
Oh, we could if we big respirator down there. But Brian would let us do it, but
Yeah.
I don't need big rock.
No, for the winter, for the
Sunday.
sanding.
Oh no, that's too much rock. They're not doing that.
Si Gram ng...
Mana sa'yo. Bawal itapon yung basura.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is that your purple doll?
Ito mo playing.
Okay, here, let me see your baby, your friend here. Is that your best friend?
Saan ka na naman pupunta?
Best friend, is that your best friend? Let me see your best friend.
Baby.
Oh, what's the name of your best friend? Purple? Winnie. Okay, let me see here. Kulang ng ano, kulang ata siya ng pink. We have to find another pink, anak. Yan.
If you step on my finger, tas kasalanan ko pa?
Say grabe. Kaya na maglakad-lakad na kayo ah.
Gina, you want something from Walmart? Yeah, I want a toy.
Siyempre.
Ano na magkakaroon mo?
Full name. Maiba naman. Ay, oo nga pala, chicken.
Come on, I'm ready.
Oh, she's ready now. Ready.
Okay, push your dice. You first. No.
Pink.
Don't touch it.
Okay.
Kasi
Yan.
lang mag-ano.
Red. Slow.
Yeah. Purple.